So we developed this to make every machine the same. So if they're working on a Z plate, they can pick this. It gives them step-by-step build instructions, pictures, so every machine is built exactly the same. They can zoom in, make sure that the grease lines are ran the same, the bolts are the same.
This is like a quality control construction guide for the guys on how to properly assemble the machine.
That's correct. Grease lines, if they're working on electrical categories, like terminal block wiring, which terminal block it is, every wire, which position it goes in, the wire label.
It's impressive.